This is Dr. Stephen Hernandez with CDOCS.com. Today I want to give you a tip on how you can share the information you find in a CBCT with the patient who's in the office right then and there. So before this patient arrived, when I first got the software, here in Settings, under General Settings, and then Practice, I can put our practice information, website, and logo. So that way when this patient walks in the door with multiple issues, let's say I want to focus on this tooth in the lower right. So I'm going to grab our inspection window, pull it over there, scroll in, zoom in. Now we can see there's something going on here. And I want to let them know there's an area of concern here. So off to the right, Tools. And this says Freehand Annotation. We're going to click that. Now I'm going to draw a circle around that tooth. I'm going to highlight that tooth. That's where we're going to begin. That's our priority. Now there are 5 windows here in this volume, but you can see this one has what appears to be a gold halo around it. So if we go back to our Tools tab, and this looks like a printer icon, it says Print Selected Image. So if I click that, you can see we've got our practice information in that particular window with this tooth highlighted. I simply hit print, let them walk out the door. Perhaps they take this with them to the oral surgeon or endodontist. But maybe there's more going on, just like with this patient. A whole bunch of issues, right? Where to begin? So I want to let them know we see something in this window, we see something here. You can still see my tool is active. So if I want to turn that off, unclick it, and now it's back to normal cursor. But there's something in almost every quadrant. Missing teeth, broken teeth, periapical radiolucencies. So if we click that Tools button again, and right next to the previous printer, this one says Print All Images. Click that, and now you'll see we have all 5 windows that get printed. And we can, again, give that to the patient. So again, it's something we can do quickly. We can hand it to them before they walk out the door, share with somebody, give it to the specialist, whatever. But it's just a quick, down and dirty method to communicate findings with your patients that you see in their CBCT. I hope that helps you, and I hope you have a great day.